Someone rightly said, culture does not make people, people make culture. By this thought, a very warm welcome to all of you in this series of Spark Your Mind. I am back with another interesting episode, your super coach Sonu Prasad. When we talk about work culture, it is the people in the organization who creates culture. Every organization is a culture and it is generally dictated by the leadership of the organization. So, discussing on this topic, let me invite our guest for today's episode. But before that, let's watch a short glimpse about it.
She is a certified trainer, coach, speaker, and an author to be, and also has over 26 years of global experience to her credit. She is BTech from NIT Warangal and General Management from IIM Bangalore. She has worked with some of the best Fortune 500 MNCs like GE, General Motors, Schneider, etc. She has led almost all functions and is now following her passion by transforming lives. She is also the founder of Rudrakshi Academy for Success. So let's welcome our today's guest, Rudrakshi.
So, hello Rudrakshi, how are you?
Oh, I'm good, Sonu. How are you doing?
I'm good, doing good. And first of all, thank you for accepting my invitation and coming to this series, Spark Your Mind.
My pleasure.
So, Rudrakshi, how's the things going there?
Very nice. I think, COVID was, God gave us an opportunity to do some kind of introspection. And that was it was a nice, I would say, a gap in on our treadmill that we have been for such a long time.
Amazing. So, Rudrakshi, as you have worked in so many companies and जैसा कि हमारा आज का टॉपिक भी है डिस्कशन का कि एनवायरनमेंट एंड कल्चर कि कैसे हम राइट एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो कर सकते हैं सक्सेस को अचीव कर सकते हैं सो व्हाई डू यू थिंक वर्क कल्चर इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट
It is even more important, not necessarily during the COVID times, but it's more important because we have started living in corporates almost. We spend 12, 14 hours a day there. We end up spending more time in office than with our own family. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि अगर आप अपनी लाइफ का मेजर पोर्शन आप ऑफिस में कर रहे बिता रहे हो इट्स इवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैट द कल्चर इज सूटेबल फॉर यू बिकॉज यू आर लिविंग probably more than half of life there. So it has to be conducive to you, and it actually should help you to grow, develop yourself, and it should help you to achieve the success that you have identified for yourself. And imagine spending so much of time in an area, in a place where things are not as per your own liking. You would never be happy. So imagine spending more than half of your life unhappy. So it not only impacts your personal growth in terms of your career, it helps in your personal growth in terms of your inner growth as well. Because if you don't like the environment, you end up spending time सोचता रहता है इंसान अब मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So I can tell you that in my personal career itself, जब मैंने maximum grow किया है, it was when the environment was good. Otherwise क्या होता है, if you have the toxic environment around you, वहाँ किसी कोई ग्रो तो करता नहीं है because it's like more of insecurity driven environment. ग्रो करना तो दूर की बात है, you get feel down in your life, you feel अभी रास्ते सब बंद हो गए. So it's my personal experience, whenever I've been in those environments where trust and mutual respect or meritocracy has been was advocated, I have seen not only my growth, I have seen the growth of the team members. I have seen the growth of our leader who would just rise to another level because they've created that conducive environment there.
राइट कि एनवायरनमेंट और कल्चर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है बिकॉज एक
Absolutely.
हमारे डे का एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट हम ऑफिस में या फिर अपने वर्क पे देते हैं तो वहाँ का कल्चर और वहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो हमारे ऊपर होता है कि हम उसको किस तरीके से डील करते हैं किस तरीके से हैंडल करते हैं दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट
Absolutely. Absolutely.
सो रुद्राक्षी हाउ डज कल्चर एंड एनवायरनमेंट अफेक्ट्स ग्रोथ एंड सक्सेस कि किस तरीके से ये इफेक्ट करता है हमारी सक्सेस को हमारी ग्रोथ को
A lot, you know, I was just talking about, so I give you an example. So I was in a company where I was in middle management, like I was I got into individual contributor into the leadership roles. I switched in the same company. So it was a turning point in my career and life as well. And we had a manager who used to follow this a 1 minute manager kind of system. He used to say that if you want to talk to me about something genuine where you need help from me, then only come to me. Otherwise, if I feel you're not doing well, I will call you myself. And if you need help from me, you send me a mail, and if I don't act on it, you can come and remind me that I have missed it. So he had set this culture that it's not going to be a culture where you will come and sit and chat with me. कभी किसी की बुराई करोगे, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि you don't allow that culture of chamchagiri kind of thing.
Correct.
So it was like I'm equal for all, available for everyone, and the reasons you should meet me is if you need help from me. And from his side, he has always stood up for his team members, okay? Because he developed that faith and trust. You take the lead. You are doing well as long as I don't come back to you, okay? And if you see my growth chart in those 4-5 years, I have almost every year been rated as one of the best employee in that function because I was an engineering function. And I have got promoted each year. So when I say promotion, it's not always it's not designation always. You have the bands. So I have changed in those 4 years. I have changed 4 bands.
Correct.
Something that would have normally taken 2 to 3 years. Because as I told you, I was not on a very senior level. I was switching on from individual contributor into the leadership roles. So there was you have more ladders to cross to grow, and I crossed each step each year almost, and it's not just personally important for me vis-a-vis the culture. As I told you in my a while back that I grew, my teams grew, and that person grew. He actually he used to work in such a way that teams used to grow on their own. The team leaders used to take ownership for everything. And he ultimately became, so he had a tussle to become a CEO with respect to somebody else. He became the CEO. And one of the reasons for him to win that kind of race was because of the culture that he had created, which was based on trust and merit. So it actually is very important, the kind of culture you're living in. And it's not just for your growth. When people around you grow, everyone is happy. So you end up delivering to the best of your own potential. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम जहाँ रह रहे हैं हमारा मन खुश है, हम शांति से काम कर रहे हैं. So you end up delivering your best.
करेक्ट रुद्राक्षी कि जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं अगर हम ग्रो करते हैं तो आसपास वाले ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रो करना शुरू करते हैं, या फिर वो ग्रो करते हैं तो हम भी कहीं ना कहीं अपनी ग्रोथ पे ध्यान देना शुरू करते हैं कि ये तो बहुत
Absolutely.
इम्पोर्टेंट है। और जैसा कि आपने कहा कि हर कंपनी में टीम लीडर्स बनाए जाते हैं टीम को लीड करने के लिए, तो दे मोटिवेट कि यस यू कैन डू दिस, तुम ये कर सकते हो, यू हैव दिस कैपेबिलिटी टू डू डू दिस एंड ऑल, इस तरीके से। तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
And especially when you're driving that kind of culture from the top, you also learn to do the same thing because you know it delivers results
करेक्ट।
and it is a win-win situation for everyone. So even everyone around learns the same way. You learn to be trustworthy, you learn to give freedom to others, you learn to accept that if people will grow, you will also grow. You don't suppress somebody's growth and feel that I have to grow myself or baki grow nahi karenge. That way your growth is only limited to the time or the level till you can grow alone. Beyond
करेक्ट।
that you would not grow.
कहते हैं टीम वर्क इज ऑलवेज गुड टू डूइंग
Absolutely.
अलोन। तो वही है कि अगर हम अपनी ग्रोथ में लगे हुए हैं बाकियों को ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं तो हम कहीं ना कहीं जाके एक लेवल पे स्टक कर जाएंगे। एंड इफ वी आर इन अ टीम और हम सबको साथ लेके चलते हैं तो हो सकता है कि वो चीज हमारी अच्छी निकल के आए बाद में, एंड हम एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे हो। तो दैट इज रियली
Absolutely.
इम्पोर्टेंट। और ये चीज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट भी है कि हमें एक मतलब अपने ऊपर ना ध्यान देके अपने आसपास जो लोग हैं उनकी भी केयर करनी चाहिए। दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट।
Absolutely. Be transparent. जो है ना, I mean, it's not necessary to be running an internal world. Be transparent. It's good sometimes if you're transparent and you get to know this thing is not working. Then
करेक्ट।
you can take a call accordingly. लेकिन to run a world, move पे एक to put a mask and behave in a particular way, you cannot be pretending to be transparent. You genuinely have to display that you are transparent because
राइट।
people can see through. People can see through.
या राइट रुद्राक्षी। सो रुद्राक्षी, what should be the right culture or environment for growth? कि वो कौन कौन
Okay.
कौन से राइट कल्चर, कौन सा कैसा कल्चर होना चाहिए और कैसा एनवायरनमेंट होना चाहिए फॉर अ पर्सन्स ग्रोथ?
Okay, as I was telling you कि thumb rule अगर हम theoretically देखें तो a culture which respects you, I mean where you are considered to be part of the growth and all those things. Merit is the deciding factor. The team plays together, team wins together. Those are kind of right cultures. But honestly speaking, people are different. Each person is different. What suits me may not suit you. So there is practically no right culture. So I can even tell you, I have worked in such organizations that they were so big, like you have 5,000 people. You cannot identify what culture exists. So मोस्टली क्या होता है, एक कल्चर कंपनी लेवल पे होता था, एक कल्चर होगा फंक्शनल लेवल पे, एक कल्चर होगा एट ग्लोबल लेवल. तो आप कहाँ किस चीज से आप what attracts you. So there are two things to it. One, you're lucky you are in a culture that is helpful for your growth and for your deliveries, for your outputs, for seeking, reaching the best potential. You are lucky.
राइट।
The other part is that you can work on yourself. You cannot work on others. You have to identify what culture suits me. मैं किस environment में ज़्यादा grow करती हूँ या grow करता हूँ. So once you assess that, what is right for me, what works for me, then you can accordingly look out to be in the places which have similar value systems, which has similar belief systems, and be there. Now you can say suddenly मैं अंदर घुस चुका हूँ, अब मुझे नहीं पता है, अब the only option left is that I have to leave. Sometimes that is true, but sometimes as I told you कि within functions भी अलग अलग कल्चर होता है, and I have worked in such organizations, वो बहुत बड़ी है, आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि 5,000 लोग सेम कल्चर फॉलो करते हैं, यू नो, वहाँ 5,000 लोग सेम पॉलिसीज फॉलो कर सकते हैं, सेम रूल्स फॉलो कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे वुड बी ड्रिवन बाय दोज, लेकिन कल्चर सेम नहीं हो सकता है. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन ईदर फिगर आउट कि मैं कहीं और किसी और फंक्शन में काम कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ इफ इट सूट्स माई ग्रोथ, बिकॉज I want to be in a place where not only should the organization benefit, I also should benefit from that, because if you're not feeling good, you're not delivering the best. So it is in the interest of both your own interest and in the interest of the organization that you identify what is good for you. You know, nowadays there are many MNCs which allow free and open discussions. You can go and speak to your HR if the current culture or circumstances are not conducive to you. बट टू से कि मुझे हमेशा राइट एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा और राइट क्या है, it's a bit difficult, because for each person right is different. You know, there are some people who thrive by following. अगर आप उनको इंडिपेंडेंस दे भी दे दो कि तुम डिसीजन ले लो, नो, दे आर फॉलोवर्स, बिकॉज there are certain kind of tools which identify people as the leaders, as followers. And I have attended, we used to have those group kind of personal development trainings where I genuinely met those people. It's not that they don't want to grow, they want to be in a role which doesn't bother them by asking them to take decisions. तो वो लोग प्रेफर करते हैं, अगर वो कितने भी सीनियर हुए, they want to be in individual contributor roles. It doesn't mean the person is less intelligent or he's a lesser performer. He's a very good performer, lekin he doesn't like the hassle of being in a position where he has to take a decision. He likes others taking decisions.
Right.
अगर आप उस बंदे को आप उस जगह रख रहे हो जहां उसको डिसीजंस लेने हैं, कल्चर में कोई कमी नहीं है, कल्चर उसको प्रमोट कर रहा कि तुम इंडिपेंडेंटली डिसीजंस ले लो, बट वो नहीं ले पा रहा है. अगर आप थियोरेटिकली पूछा जाए तो ये कल्चर बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज इट्स गिविंग यू द फ्रीडम टू टेक डिसीजंस, बट इट डजंट सूट यू. So you go and you feel, I mean, you either take bad decisions or you keep asking people, then people will feel ki why the hell is he asking, or why the hell is she asking me to take the decisions when the person is supposed to be in that role. तो culture इसके बाद ठीक रहेगा ही नहीं. तो बना बनाया अच्छा culture भी बिगड़ सकता है, because you are a different kind of personality. Correct. You want to be left alone to think. You want to be left alone to be driving technology. You want to think, just I have been in engineering, that's why I'm telling you that I've met such kind of people. It's not that there was anything wrong with their performance. They were very good. But they want to think about the problems, they want to solve them, they want to innovate, they want to bring new ideas into the system, but they're not the ones who can execute it. And which is all right, because it's not their strength. And they are at their best when they are left alone to think. Okay, so culture depends on you more than what happens outside. So आपको ढूंढना है कि मेरे लिए कल्चर कौन सा suitable है और मैं वहां रहूं. Not an easy thing. Sometimes, yes, you may have to leave the job and look out for those companies which have similar kind of value systems and similar kind of belief systems which are suitable to you, and then you go and change. I mean, you cannot just realize it one day, ये culture मुझे suit नहीं करता, उठ के resignation दे दिया. You plan it out, phase in and phase out, phase in into a new culture that suits you, and phase out from here. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, Rudrakshi, you said very well. But आपको कहीं ना ये नहीं लगता कि ठीक है, कल्चर अपनी जगह है, पर्सन अपनी जगह है, बट अगर कल्चर अच्छा है, बट द पर्सन इज इन दिस कल्चर, वो उसको गलत ले रहा है कि लाइक कि वर्क प्रेशर ज़्यादा है, बट वो ये नहीं देख रहा कि वर्क प्रेशर अभी ज्यादा है, एक हफ्ते ज्यादा रहता है, एक हफ्ते कम भी तो रहता है. He is only seeing the negative side of the culture, but environment, culture और environment के negative side को देख रहा है, but he is not seeing the positive side. तो उस टाइम पे पर्सन को एडजस्ट, मतलब कहते हैं ना, एडजस्टेबल होना चाहिए, उसको मैनेज करना आना चाहिए सिचुएशन को और कल्चर को, कि किस तरीके से हम उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से हम अपने आप को उसमें
ढाल दे, ढाल दे,
ढाल लेते हैं
ढाल देगा.
गारमेंट में. कि जैसे है ना कि वो स्टोरी है, लेकिन मेंढक वाली, कि उसको गर्म पानी में डालते हैं तो एडजस्ट करता रहता है. तो ऐसा भी नहीं करना है कि उसमें एडजस्ट ही होता रहना है. बट इन द स्टार्टिंग, अगर हम किसी नए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जा रहे हैं या नए किसी कल्चर में या फिर एनवायरनमेंट में जा रहे हैं, तो फर्स्ट हमें उसे समझना चाहिए कि, और समझ के उसमें एडजस्ट होने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. और उसके साथ ही फिर हमें चीजें समझनी भी चाहिए किस तरीके से हम और क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या हमारे लिए अच्छा है, क्या हमारे लिए खराब है. तो दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हिच आई बिलीव कि
Very,
ये बहुत
very
इम्पोर्टेंट.
important.
और जैसे
Very
कि
important.
आपने कहा कि
Sorry.
एनवायरनमेंट सबका अलग अलग होता है, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल पे होता है, कुछ ग्लोबली होता है, कुछ एम्प्लॉयज के उस पे होता है. तो दैट इज ट्रू कि वो तो सबका अपना अपना कल्चर है, अपना अपना एनवायरनमेंट है, कि ऑफिस का एनवायरनमेंट दूसरा होगा, किसी और जगह जाएंगे तो उसका कल्चर दूसरा होगा. बट एक हमारी लाइफ का इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, जो एक टाइम होता है, वो हम अपने ऑफिस में देते हैं. तो हम यहाँ पे वर्क प्लेस कल्चर की बात कर सकते हैं, एनवायरनमेंट की बात कर सकते हैं, कि वहां पे जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट होता है दैट शुड बी गुड. जिससे कि क्या होगा कि जो हमारे जो एम्प्लॉयज काम कर रहे हैं वहां पे, तो उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी, उनका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कंपनी का प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा. जैसा कि मेरे को एक मूवी का एग्जांपल, मूवी याद आ रही है, रॉकेट सिंह, रणवीर कपूर की मूवी थी, सेल्समैन ऑफ द ईयर. तो उसमें जैसे पहले जिस कंपनी में वो वर्किंग होता है, तो वहां का कल्चर उसे पसंद नहीं आता, वहां पे उसे अच्छा नहीं लगता. देन ही स्टार्ट हिज ओन कंपनी. और वहां पे होता है क्या है ना, कि फ्रीडम होती है. मतलब आपको काम किया, आपने आपका काम हो गया, दैट इज गुड. काम किया, आप अपना कुछ भी कर सकते हो, एंजॉय करो. ये नहीं रहता कि आपको, मतलब 10 से 6 की ड्यूटी है तो 10 से 6 आपको काम ही घसीटना, वो घसीटने वाली चीज नहीं होती है. आपका काम हो गया, काम करके आप एंजॉय भी कर सकते हो, फिर काम आता है फिर काम करो. एक फ्रेंडली माहौल, एक थोड़ा लाइट एनवायरनमेंट, ये बहुत जरूरी होता है एक प्रोडक्टिव वर्क कल्चर में, विच आई बिलीव कि, क्योंकि उससे क्या चीज होती है ना, कि माइंड एक तो रिलैक्स रहता है, और जब हमारा माइंड रिलैक्स होगा तो हमें हमारी क्रिएटिविटी अच्छे से निकल के आएगी, हम कुछ नया सोच पाएंगे, कुछ अच्छा इनोवेट कर पाएंगे. जैसे कि हमें कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया कि आज आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क करना है और इसका फाइल बनानी है, तो उस टाइम पे वो पर्सन अच्छे से बता पाएगा, उसको रिसर्च कर पाएगा, और उसको कुछ क्रिएटिव तरीके से सामने टेबल पे ला पाएगा कि हाँ, यस, दिस इज द राइट वे. तो इस मूवी को देख के मेरे को लगा कि यस, ये बहुत अच्छा था, एक इंस्पिरेशन हम कह सकते हैं मूवी से मिली. तो दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट.
You're very right. In fact, this is human nature, and many organizations, especially MNCs,
राइट.
they have they have a culture of not checking your time in and time out. They're just bothered about your deliveries. They have introduced flexi timings. ऐसे बहुत कंपनीज हैं जो इन सारे चीजों को ना, इन सारी चीजों के मद्देनजर ही काम कर रहे हैं.
करेक्ट.
We should give that credit to many corporates and many MNCs which are doing that. And there are some Indian companies also that have this culture, uh, which is good in a way. As I told you, something that suits me may not suit you. I know some people, कुछ लोग बहुत नेगेटिव होते हैं. I know some people who told me कि why are you giving flexi timings? I don't need it. There are people who work less than me, and they spend less time. So you try to reason it out with them that it's not about the time, it's about what they deliver. But you don't, sometimes some people can never be happy with anything, you know. So what I'm trying to tell you कि इतना flexibility होने के बाद भी there are some people who don't find that is a good culture. They are more bothered about कि लोग किस बंदे ने इसका misuse किया या use किया, मुझे इससे कोई फायदा नहीं मिल रहा है, because they feel कि मुझे तो 12 घंटे काम करने में कोई दिलचस्प कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड कि इसने क्या डिलीवर किया. So for those people, even this is not good. Having said that, those are exceptions, I don't deny that. There are, as I was telling you, theoretically there are many generic things about what should define a good culture, but does that suit you is very important. Suppose आप उस चीज में बिलीव ही नहीं करते हो कि मुझे फ्लेक्सी टाइमिंग नहीं चाहिए, मुझे जाना है टाइम पे, तो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो बिकॉज आपको कंपनी रोक नहीं रही है. But then stop looking at others, because that's going to hinder your own growth, because it's not a competition between you and somebody else. You have to identify what does growth mean for you, what does success mean for you. तो कल्चर उससे भी खराब हो जाता है. So you feel something about a particular thing, and then you start, you expect the surroundings to change because you believe in a particular way. वैसा नहीं हो सकता है. So it again depends on, as I told you, it depends on an individual कि वो कैसे view करता है right or wrong.
Correct, absolutely right. कि वो इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस तरीके से सिचुएशन को देखता है, उस हैंड सिचुएशन को डील करता है. That is absolutely right. So Rudrakshi, does culture affects a person's behavior?
Very much. You either have to be an angel, highly I would say progressed person, that you are in a meditative mode and it doesn't impact you. So it can have both, it can work both ways. Like if you have positive environment that I was talking about, that 1 minute manager wala example, even if there were some people who were interested in talking to him, or spending time with him so that he knows them more personally, blah blah blah. It's not that he didn't know personally, but they wanted to know more. तो उन लोगों के लिए growth था ही नहीं. What I'm trying to say is that despite the fact you had a very good culture which majority of the people liked, but those people went internal, उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा, so they were feeling left out, not heard, okay, while as majority of us liked it. Similarly, if you have a culture, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जबकि culture अच्छा भी था तब भी आपको impact कर रहा है कुछ लोगों को कि I'm not heard, while as I told you, I thrived. Okay, it had a huge impact on me because I had to just focus on my work. I knew if I needed some help, people are there to help me out. I knew if I had to reach out for something, I could talk to them, I would get help. I used to be meeting those customers those days. I knew if I'm out of the plant for a long time, throughout the day, I may not be able to go to office. Project जितनी भी जिस भी stage पे हो, I knew somebody back home is going to, and those days, I'm talking about those days when we didn't have cell phones. Okay, I'm talking about landlines. So I knew कि अगर कोई कहीं stuck हुआ होगा, they know what procedure to follow. जैसे मेरी टीम में अगर मैं वहाँ नहीं हूँ, they know what to do. क्योंकि there was a kind of teamwork. So I have thrived in that, but I know people who would say कि they wanted more time, they want to talk, they want us to spend more time with people. They wouldn't feel connected. अब उनके लिए भी ये culture भी अच्छा नहीं था. Something that I feel was very good. So it's very important what kind of culture you have. Or now I'll give you another example. There are some people, They will heckle people in the meetings. They yell and scream. They want to be heard. They would ridicule someone, insult people. There are such people. Now you can, absorb it for a while, but there is a time, you want to draw a line, then you also start replying back. So honestly, अब इस culture ने आपको impact किया, despite the fact that you are not that kind of a person. Over a period of time, a part of that culture is rubbing onto you, and you may not go down to that level, but you are also drifting from your own main personality. So if you end up spending time in such toxic cultures for such a long time, it definitely will have impact on you. If you continue to be in such toxic culture for a long time, it's not good for your health, first of all. Secondly, it rubs onto you, and you also drift from what your own inherent personality, which could have been calmer, more honest, more transparent. So yes, you're right. The culture impacts an individual a lot. It can make or mar you. I know sometimes people get into such a deep hole that you never come out of it. And I have seen such people. मतलब उनको एक बार performance खराब हो गई, and they got rated bad, and the environment is not helping them in any case because it is very toxic. So they lose confidence in themselves. वो और भी ज़्यादा perform नहीं कर पाते हैं. Or vice versa. There is a culture where people are fighting it out. वो perform नहीं कर रहे हैं, and then still they are growing. It sets a bad example, and there are people who are performing a lot. They feel कि अगर मेरी performance के बाद मुझे grow नहीं करना है, and they are growing without performing, why should I even work? So it has a fallout on either way on you. So it's very important, for your own personal growth as well as your professional growth. What kind of culture are you living in? Very important.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट रुद्राक्षी कि कल्चर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि एक जिस माहौल में हम रहते हैं वैसे ही हम हो जाते हैं. जैसे कि एक कहावत भी है कि 5 पीपल जिनके साथ हम रहते हैं उसी के जैसे हम बनते हैं. तो जिस कल्चर में है, जिस एनवायरनमेंट में हम हैं, तो उसका अच्छा होना, उसका कहते हैं ना ग्रोइंग होना बहुत जरूरी है कि वो पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के लोग हों, ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लोग हों कि जो ग्रो करना चाहते हैं. अगर वो पर्सन ऐसे होंगे या वो कल्चर ऐसा होगा जो मतलब एक नॉर्मल लाइफ कि जो चल रहा है उससे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि जो लाइफ चल तो रही है, करना क्या है, लाइफ तो चल रही है, सैलरी आ तो रही है, करना क्या है, क्यों दो थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स करने कि जिससे हमारा कुछ स्किल डेवलपमेंट हो या फिर पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट हो, हमारी पर्सनल ग्रोथ हो, तो उसके बारे में लोग नहीं सोचते हैं. तो एक कल्चर और एक माहौल का अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है. और कल्चर के ऊपर मुझे बात याद आती है, एक फैमिली कल्चर की बात करते हैं हम कि लोगों का माइंडसेट बन जाता है कल्चर को लेके कि लाइक फैमिली में अगर हम 3 ब्रदर्स हैं, तो अगर बड़े वाले ब्रदर ने इंजीनियरिंग की तो छोटे वाले भी बोलेगा मुझे भी इंजीनियरिंग करना है. और फिर अल्टीमेटली जो सबसे छोटा होगा उसको कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर, मतलब एक वो रहेगा कि हाँ उसको भी इंजीनियरिंग की करनी है. वो अपने जो ड्रीम्स होंगे, अपने जो गोल्स होंगे, उनको वो कहीं ना कहीं निग्लेक्ट कर देगा. तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है.
That is true. It can happen. Family pressures भी बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
Correct.
But having said that, metros में ना थोड़ा culture change हुआ है. It's not necessary it happens in the metros because people in school, they have their own associations in the school as well. उनके friends भी है. वो कहीं ना कहीं, as you said, average of 5 people is what you would be. So अगर वो अपने भाइयों के साथ है तो he could be even with his friends in school. So there is something compensating. But having said that, I don't deny कि family culture कितना impact करता है एक बंदे के behavior पे, उसके decisions पे, या उसकी life lead करने का तरीका क्या होगा, उसके growth patterns पे. Definitely.
Correct. Absolutely right, Rudrakshi. You said very well. So Rudrakshi, can we recreate our culture or environment? What do you think? Can we?
Again, very subjective, because the moment you talk about recreation, that means the settings have to be same as in whatever you like to recreate. तो उसमें जो पात्र थे उस टाइम, सपोज ये ड्रामा जो हो रहा था जिंदगी का, उसमें जो पात्र थे, क्या आप उन पात्रों को ला सकते हो दोबारा? सो रिक्रिएशन के लिए इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. हाँ, if you are in the same team at work, suppose recreation is okay, you can recreate. You know, suppose you had drifted somewhere, आप लोग आपको आप एक दूसरे का बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करते हो, यू आर ट्रांसपेरेंट विद ईच अदर एंड यू कैन रियली टेक एन इन्फॉर्म्ड कॉल कि अब हमें रिक्रिएट करना है, वी वुड वर्क इन द सेम वे एज वी यूज्ड टू वर्क सम इयर्स बैक, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. लेकिन if you have moved into different different teams, recreation is a bit of it's not possible. However, I would say it's not about recreating. We can create a culture where, or rather co-create a culture which suits that team or which suits that organization. And it would be comprising of those things which I told you, those thumb rules based on trust, on mutual respect, on transparency, on blah blah things, on merit. So if you define those things, then you can co-create the culture for for all of you as a winning culture. Recreation के लिए वो जो मैंने बोला ना, वो पात्र सेम होने चाहिए और वो फैमिली में हो सकता है. You know, sometimes what happens is, especially in these kind of days when, pre-COVID days, life was too difficult, you were struggling, you didn't have time for your own health. एक बार बैठ के अपने आप का इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. And I know many families that have taken a informed call कि हम कुछ चीजें जो हम past में करते थे, we would do them again. I know that has happened.
Right.
While as I have also seen families that they said it was too much of time with each other. Now we want to go back to work and live away from each other, because I mean, too much of closeness it breeds what should I say, a fight. So it all depends. रिक्रिएशन के लिए कुछ पैरामीटर्स होते हैं जो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं रिक्रिएट करने के लिए. However, having said that, we can build a culture, co-create a culture which is a winning culture for everyone. It is a successful culture which breeds success. It breeds individual success, it breeds team success, it breeds companies, organizations, culture success. So yes, we can do that.
Correct, Rudrakshi. You said very well कि we can recreate, but कई बार होता है ना कि लोग थोड़े से एफर्ट्स करना नहीं चाहते, थोड़ी मेहनत करना नहीं चाहते हैं. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि लोग मेहनत करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. हम कल्चर को रिक्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एनवायरनमेंट को अच्छा बना सकते हैं, एनवायरनमेंट को रिक्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बट वी आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग दिस ट्रूथ कि यस वी कैन डू दिस. लोग बोलते हैं छोड़ो ना, क्या करना है, चल तो रही है गाड़ी, चल तो रहा है ऑफिस, क्या करना माहौल अच्छा करके. बट दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग कि माहौल अच्छा होगा, एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा होगा, एक कल्चर अच्छा होगा तो हमारा प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी, हमारी यूनिटी अच्छी होगी, हमारा टीम वर्क अच्छा होगा, जिससे प्रॉफिट ऑटोमेटिकली ही कंपनी का इंक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाएगा. एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल हम सेट कर सकते हैं कि कहते हैं ना कि जैसे उस कंपनी में ना यार ये चीज बहुत अच्छी है, वहां के एम्प्लॉय सारे एक जैसे हैं, वहां के यूनिटी है, टीम वर्क है, तो इस चीज पे लोग फोकस नहीं करते हैं. लोग बोलते हैं छोड़ो ना, चल तो रहा है, हो तो रहा है काम, ये तो हो रहा है, तो लोग इस चीज में भागना शुरू कर देते हैं.
बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है सोनू. आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आई हैव बीन इन अ कंपनी जहां things were going on an autopilot mode. तो लोग मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते, they don't want to improve anything, they feel चल रहा है ना, So you're very right. तो उससे क्या हो गया, there was a time when the company was bought by some other company and there were job losses. You know, जब job loss हो रहा है, then they are realizing कि हमने कुछ किया होता, we could have delivered more. तो उस टाइम जब जॉब लॉस का ये आ रहा है ना, आई genuinely feel it is a it is just a handful of people or those people who don't want to deliver और चलता है, गाड़ी में चलते हैं उसकी वजह से. So when they do this कि you know चलता है, उस चक्कर में क्या हो रहा है कि जिन लोगों ने फिर परफॉर्म भी किया होता है बहुत ज्यादा, they also end up losing their jobs. And by the time it's too late, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So there are many you know practical lessons many people would have learned in their lives, that they want to be चल रही है गाड़ी, सैलरी मिल रही है, you are not the only one working, why should I bother myself, मतलब जी चुराएंगे, नहीं हुआ आज तो क्या हुआ, कल तो होता ही रहेगा. When you work in such a laid back way, you know there is prakriti ka ek niyam hai, it evens out. So you might be relaxed today and tomorrow when the company is bought by somebody, you would be the first one to go because your function or your business did not perform as much because it didn't comprise of those winning people who believed in winning or and exceeding even the company's expectations when they had the whole you know all the weapons in their hand to do that and when they had time at their hand. So you are very right, very right. Chalta hai attitude kills things a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. So Rudrakshi, there is a saying that right work culture is everyone's responsibility. So do you agree with that? कि क्योंकि होता है ना कि कई बार लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें क्यों कल्चर बनाना है, हम तो एम्प्लॉइज हैं, जो एम्प्लॉयर है वो एक कल्चर बनाएगा, वो अगर कुछ करेंगे देन वी विल डू, वहां से एक ऑर्डर आएगा देन वो हमें फॉलो करना है. बट एक एम्प्लॉय ये नहीं सोचता है, या फिर जो वर्क कर रहे होते हैं वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ इनिशिएटिव, कि हम अपना माहौल या अपना एनवायरमेंट खुद भी अच्छा बना सकते हैं. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? डू यू एग्री दिस?
I agree on this. As I said, culture is not something that one person can define. It is a collective behavior of a team or a business, which is theoretically a correct thing to do. Having said that, there are a lot of organizations. I know the kind of organizations that I have worked in. If you feel that you had individual, you know, employees, suppose they found out there is something in the culture that they should, as an organization, you know, work on that. There are many organizations that I've worked in where you know you could go back and give the feedback to HR. HR speaks to the right. So HR speaks to the right kind of people, and when I say right kind of people, the leaders, to start developing that kind of culture. So what I'm trying to say is there are certain times where you're not in a position to be able to influence others, but then you can talk to the influencers to help improving the culture. That is one way to look at it. The other thing is that you know if you are an individual in a leadership role and you can improve the culture, nothing like that. That is the best gift that you have, that you can make an impact in the lives of so many people and also impact the output for the company and make the company grow. And as an individual or as a leader, when you can influence your team, the collective behavior of the team would be that winning behavior, that you know where success matters, where you know it's not success as in just the success ki box mein tick mark kar diya, okay success ho gaya. It's
Correct.
about how you achieve that success.
Absolutely.
कभी तो आप किसी को सर पीट मार के भी सक्सेस ले सकते हो, बट अगर आपने ठान लिया है कि हमें जर्नी इज एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज द डेस्टिनेशन, then culture will play a lot of role. As I was telling you, When you have these toxic cultures and these toxic people who don't want to perform, chal raha hai, chalne do, they don't like anybody else doing, तो उनको वो frog की ये है कि उसको खींचो, pull that person down. क्योंकि
Right.
अगर उनकी ये मानसिकता होती है कि if I am not growing, let the other person also not grow. Or for that matter, if you have a leader who is insecure and not competent enough and he feels कि मेरे reportees मेरे से आगे चले जाएंगे, and they do not let that culture thrive, so it becomes toxic. So yes, you're right, collectively आप जैसा culture drive कर सकते हो, it is in your hands. And as I told you, sometimes if you are not in a position where you can influence, you can talk and seek help from the people who can influence. But having said that, I cannot suddenly get up and change the culture. Suppose all these things don't work, I cannot suddenly go and still change something. So the best thing in those scenarios is see what is suitable for you. Whatever is suitable for you is going to help, because as I told you, if you don't if you're not feeling aligned with the culture, you have to build a phase in phase out plan for yourself, so that you get into that culture which is suitable for you. But don't give up before seeking help from people, because it's quite possible sometimes that people have not even noticed that we are going downhill because of xyz reasons. You can go and highlight and talk to the relevant people and help, even as an individual or as a team or as a group of people. Go together, speak about it, be transparent with each other, talk to relevant people who can help you building that culture. Yes, you can do that as a team.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट रुद्राक्षी, कि बहुत सारी टाइम आता है, बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस आती हैं जहाँ पे हमें लोगों से हेल्प मांग लेनी चाहिए, हमें पूछ लेना चाहिए कि यार ये चीज़ मैं करने जा रहा हूँ, इज इज गुड और नॉट. जैसे हम कोई नई चीज़ शुरू करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें लोगों से पूछ लेना चाहिए, एक एडवाइस या फिर एक हेल्प मांग लेनी चाहिए. लेकिन लोग आजकल क्या हो गया ना कि लोग बताना नहीं चाह रहे. वो सोचते हैं कि अगर हमने हेल्प मांगी या हमने किसी से पूछा तो हम छोटे हो जाएंगे. बट ऐसा नहीं है.
Absolutely.
हो सकता है कि अगर हमने किसी से पूछा तो वहां से हमें कुछ एक अच्छा आउटपुट मिल सकता है, जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए या फिर जो हमारे उस डिसीजन के लिए एक कहते हैं ना ब्रह्मास्त्र साबित हो सकता है. दैट इज
Absolutely.
रियली इम्पोर्टेंट कि हमें हेल्प मांगनी चाहिए अपनी प्रॉब्लम या फिर जो भी हमारी सिचुएशन है, जो भी डिसीजन है उसमें. एक अगर हमें लगता है कहीं ना कहीं कि हेल्प की जरूरत है हमें, या फिर एक एडवाइस हमें या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा, तो हमें उसके लिए झिझकना नहीं चाहिए, उसके लिए हेजिटेट नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे कि मैंने
Absolutely.
अभी इस
Absolutely.
लॉकडाउन में एक ड्राइव स्टार्ट की थी कि डोंट फियर सुपर कोच यस, जो मेरा टैगलाइन है. तो इफ यू हैव एनी जैसे स्ट्रेस है या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा यू वांट शेयर, सो यू कैन शेयर ऑन माय पेज. तो ये मैंने एक ड्राइव शुरू की थी अभी लास्ट मंथ. सो हेल्प मांगने से हमें कभी नहीं डरना चाहिए. हो सकता है कि वो अगर हम किसी से कुछ बता रहे हैं या फिर पूछ रहे हैं तो वो हमारे लिए अच्छा हो जाए. So it's really important.
True.
So
True.
Rudrakshi, any tips and tricks which you wanna give to our viewers who are watching us?
uh, Tips and tricks तो वही है. I mean, कि ask yourself, introspect, what keeps you happy, what would make you grow, what is success for you. It's quite possible आप जिस सक्सेस के पीछे दौड़ रहे हैं वो आपकी सक्सेस है ही नहीं, वो किसी और ने डिफाइन की हुई सक्सेस है, और आप वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो सक्सेस क्योंकि दुनिया एक्सेप्ट कर रही है.
Correct.
समटाइम्स आप कुछ चीजों के पीछे भाग रहे होते जो आपकी ना ही आपकी ख्वाहिश है, ना ही आपको कोई इंटरेस्ट था. वो इट्स लाइक सामने राह पे सब लोग चल रहे हैं, मैंने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया, हम भी चल दिए और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. सो इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. So introspect, what do you like, what is your success. If it is money, really there are people who hesitate to say they money, they want to run after money but they don't want to accept it. accept it to yourself. You may not accept it in front of public. अगर वही है तो figure out that is important for you, and wherever you are, is that helping you to build that thing or not. अंदर से घुट के मरने से अच्छा है ना, you accept and face the reality. Or if your happiness is, as I was talking about those people, some of my old colleagues जिनको technology में ना अपने आप को डुबो देने का बहुत मन करता था. They used to feel so happy and excited while solving those problems and innovate rather than being with people. So there are some people who like to be with people. There are some people who like to be with technology. अपने आप से तो झूठ मत बोलो, जो अच्छा लगता है उसको चुनो, उसके लिए कुछ अपना एक पर्पस बनाओ अपने लाइफ का, अपने करियर का, कि मेरा पर्पस क्या है, what defines success for me, what is my purpose. Once you're clear about that, it will be very helpful for you to grow in your life, knowing what you're doing. You would be able to differentiate कि अभी जिस राह पे मैं चल रहा हूँ या चल रही हूँ, is it really my success or success defined by somebody else. Or if I'm working so hard, is there anything for me? Because there are some people who run the race and then they realize कि इस race में तो मेरे लिए कुछ था भी नहीं. Then why don't run it? लेकिन just because others are running it, you don't need to run it. That's very important. And the last thing I would say is, never compare yourself with somebody else, seniors, juniors, anyone in the family, because your life is your life, your destiny is your destiny. Your life has to be lived by you. Nobody else can live the life.
Correct.
Whosoever is your present colleague is not going to be your colleague forever. So don't take decisions based on what others are doing. You take your own decisions basis who you are, where you want to go, and what do you want to achieve in your life. That's very important.
Absolutely. So thank you, Rudrakshi, for this wonderful session, and thank you for accepting and coming to my show, Spark Your Mind.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Yeah, it was such a lovely session. So bye.
Bye-bye.
So thank you, Rudrakshi. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I hope you liked the episode. Please share this video with more and more people and help me to spread this knowledge with more and more people. And in the last, I want to say just one thing, that culture is not an initiative. Culture is the enabler of all initiatives. So take care, guys. I see you in the next episode. Same time, same place. Superfood signing off.